There are life experiences that we have, and some of them may not be pleasant, and we get stuck in patterns. And today I'd like to talk about 4 patterns that we tend to have. My name is Isra, and I'm a psychologist, and welcome to the Transforming Life series. There are 4 patterns that we tend to get stuck in. The pattern of resentment, criticism, guilt, and shame. Resentment is when we want people to be in a certain way and they are not the way we want them to be. And then we get angry, we get upset, and finally we get resentful. And we hold that resentment in our heart, and it's almost like our energy gets stuck. The second is criticism. When we look at people and we see things that we don't like, and we focus on what we don't like rather than what is probably good about them. Third thing is guilt. When we have a sense of regret, a sense of upset over something that we should have done differently, but we didn't. There is so much of release in knowing that we are doing the best that we can at every point in time, and we are learning and we are growing. And every time I see the flowing water, it reminds me that being able to forgive yourself and to move on and to look at a newer way of being all the time. The last one is shame. When we feel not so good about ourselves, when we humiliate our own self and we feel less of who we are. These 4 patterns of resentment, criticism, guilt and shame keeps us stuck, and it doesn't allow us to flow through life. Today, are you willing to just let it go? And are you willing to restore the flow back in your life and really enjoy every single moment for what it is? If not now, when? Do not forget to follow our YouTube channel. Subscribe now.